It's Friday and I know you're ready to wind down from a long week with a glass of wine. But before we pour, we've got to prep. So let's talk decanters. Decanters are a tool used to aerate the wine and remove any sediments that can impact your wine experience. You may commonly see decanters when red wine is involved, but white wines, sparklings, and even spirits can be decanted as well. You want to start by sitting your wine bottle upright for about 24 hours. Luckily for you, most places that sell wine have already done this for you. Just make sure to keep the wine bottle upright on the drive home. Next, you're going to open your wine. If you have a cork, you got to make sure that no sediments from the cork remains get into the wine bottle. After that, you're going to pour into the decanter in a tilted motion. Once you've poured the wine, if the wine is older, you want to let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. If the wine is a younger aged wine, about an hour. If you just got home, you can put on your favorite movie, take a quick shower, get dinner ready in the meantime while this is aerating. At last, our first sip awaits us. Cheers! The remaining wine in the decanter will be good for about 2 to 3 days, so be sure to drink the wine by then. And remember, drink responsibly. Until next time.